Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is the Harley-Davidson Street Glide Ultra, an absolute powerhouse built for riders who crave adventure, long-haul comfort, and that legendary Harley attitude. If you're looking for a touring bike that blends iconic style with cutting-edge technology and raw V-twin power, stick around because we're diving deep into what makes this machine a true road warrior. First things first, just look at it. The Street Glide Ultra commands attention with its aggressive yet elegant design. That batwing fairing isn't just for show, it's engineered for aerodynamics, reducing wind buffeting while giving the bike its signature Harley silhouette. The full LED lighting system enhances visibility, whether you're tearing down the freeway at dusk or carving through back roads late at night. And those premium chrome finishes, they're pure Harley-Davidson, bold, timeless, and built to impress. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood, or rather, under the tank. The Street Glide Ultra is powered by the Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine, a 1,868 cubic centimeters beast delivering 122 lb-ft of torque. That means instant throttle response, effortless highway overtakes, and that deep, throaty Harley rumble we all love. With its 6-speed transmission and refined suspension, this bike glides smoothly over asphalt while still packing a serious punch when you twist the throttle. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling long stretches of highway, the power delivery is buttery smooth and relentless. But this isn't just about raw power, it's also about smart riding. The Street Glide Ultra comes loaded with Harley-Davidson's Boom, trademark box GTS infotainment system. A 6.5-inch touchscreen display, voice recognition, GPS navigation, and Apple CarPlay Android Auto compatibility ensure you're always connected, whether you're checking your route or pumping out your favorite road trip playlist. And let's not forget the Reflex Defensive Rider Systems RDRS, a suite of advanced safety features, including cornering ABS, traction control, and electronic brake force distribution. This means you get more confidence in tricky road conditions, keeping your ride smooth and secure. When it comes to long-distance touring, comfort is king. The Street Glide Ultra is designed for mile-after-mile ease, featuring a plush 2-up seat with passenger backrests and heated grips for those chilly morning rides. The suspension is finely tuned to absorb road imperfections, while the large floorboards give you multiple foot positions, reducing fatigue on extended journeys. Plus, with saddlebags offering ample storage, you can pack everything you need for a cross-country adventure. The Harley-Davidson Street Glide Ultra is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It's built for those who demand power, comfort, and the freedom of the open road. Whether you're a seasoned tourer or upgrading to your first big cruiser, this bike is designed to take you farther, faster, and in total style. So, what do you think of the Street Glide Ultra? Would you take this beast on a cross-country ride? Drop a comment below and let us know. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest motorcycle reviews and riding tips. Until next time, ride safe, ride free.